Oh my god.
Come over here. Toilet, touch it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at Harley. She's freaking out.
Holy crap.
Watch this footage from Chipsian Valley, Pakistan, where an earthquake on January 2026 causes dramatic landslide.
فوق الماء القردة. شوفها
بايك تاين.
بس الرخمة دي.
علي.
This dust came footage from Japan shows tsunami floodwaters surging into residential neighborhood after a major earthquake. A massive avalanche crashes down a mountainside in Russia, showing the unpredictable power of nature.
Бам. Все.
Господи.
Боже. Как красиво. И все.
И все рас...
Жестко.
तल के हुन्छ क्या राम त आम्माम्माम्माम्मा यो गाउँमै झरा ठुलै भएको थियो त
This avalanche was captured in the Mustang region of Nepal, high in the Himalayas. A huge section of snow suddenly collapsed and rushed down in the mountain, carrying ice rocks and dust with incredible force.
त्यो खोला छ नि त त्यहाँ राम्रो छ त सोभिता यो खिच्दै गर्नुपर्ने खिचिरहेको भाइ म
हाम्रोलाई फोन गर्दै
त्यहाँ घरमा कसरी पाउँदा सब त्यति छ
धुवा हो कि धुवा हो धुवा धुवा धुलो
Everyone says something about Aussie land spiders, but no one says anything about Aussie sea spiders. Look at them all.
Check out this amazing natural phenomenon. Clear boundary between two air masses, creating a striking division between clouds and clear sky.
Really feel the weight of the ice out here. Jeez.
Ломает лед. Посмотри, какой толщина лед ломает.
This is the Asentai River in Kazakhstan, where extreme winter cold has turned the fast-flowing river into a powerful icy surge.
Там дети же, по-моему.
A sudden avalanche range crashes through Sonamat, Kashmir, as unstable snow gives way and surge and wade nearby homes in India. Have you ever seen a starfish eat instead of chewing? It pushes its stomach out of its body to digest food externally, a truly bizarre and fascinating feeding method in the animal kingdom.
This is wild. Look at that ice just blowing out. It's traveling about 1 kilometer underneath this ice and then popping up out here and all the way down. Pretty cool stuff.
This Australian lyrebird is famous for its intelligence, detailed style, and its unique talent for imitating sound from its surroundings.
I like its little antenna. Can you see the two feathers that come up over the top? You just can't see them in the photos.
It's really, I always think that the brown white feathers are like hard.
Okay, in my whole life I've never seen this. This is a shadow on the mountain from the exhaust from that plane. That's insane. Oh yeah, I've never seen that before. Is it a sign?
In Masai Mara, Kenya, this giraffe stand quietly in the storm, showing how even the tallest animal face nature's power. Watch this as thousands of ants join together from a living raft, using teamwork to move safely across water.
Olha aí. Só pra poder se proteger, cara. Olha que louco. Olha isso, estão em cima de uma pena. Vamos ver. Engraçado. Olha, elas se seguram uma na outra. Olha que louco. Thanks for watching until the end. We truly appreciate your love and support.
For more amazing moments, Cartoon Camera. Take care, stay safe, and see you soon.